Remember the day medicine found you? I do. Dipping your toes into the ever-unfolding story of the human body. Curiosity sparked. A spark that lit the path to new worlds. The first trials of life, and victory.
Oh my God, you got in?
You met your companions, your co-pilots for the journey ahead. Together, you built the foundation, brick by brick, for what was to come. The sleepless nights. Scrolling, solving, constantly evolving. Self-doubt? Oh yes.
What even is Hasselbeck's triangle?
Yet, you pressed on. Hard work, challenge after challenge, reward after reward. And now, here you are, in the place you always dreamed of. The first chapter, complete. But the story is far from over. Ahead lies more growth, more trials, more triumphs. There will be times, even when the simplest things will feel
Oh my God, Tylenol.
impossibly high stakes.
Is 500 milligrams too much?
And know this, through it all, we will be there for you, every step of the way. Have a match day. Yours in every moment. AMBOSS.